Hello, I am Kavita Doshi from Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Engineering Management and Research, Akodi, Pune, from Electronics and Telecommunication Department. My subject is solar-based power supply. It will be related to basic electronics subjects. My week 1 video details is given here YouTube link. It is related to the solar DC power supply. Heavy CO2 emission is generated by power supply generation using traditional methods. Low CO2 emission is possible with solar power, therefore it is called clean energy or green energy. In the solar cell, you can use PN junction device and no direct voltage is applied to that. It converts our sunlight energy into the electrical energy. We know that sunlight energy consists of photons. A solar cell converts light energy into the electrical energy. This effect is known as photoelectric effect. The photo-generated minority carriers will be collected at the PN junction and excited electrons will be get swept to the N region while the holes will get swept to the P region to become majority carriers. When an external circuit is connected across the solar cell, the excited electrons will flow through the external circuit to recombine with the holes in the P region. The hole of electrons to the external circuit constitutes the direct current and this is stored in the rechargeable battery. The different international standards are related to the solar energy industry. These are the standards related to the PV photovoltaic plant operation and maintenance. Some are also applicable to the design, procurement and the construction phases of the PV plant. Following are the technical committees and the links related to the solar energy system. IEC TC82, IEC Technical Committee is TC82. This is related to the solar photovoltaic energy system. International Standard Organization, it is TC180, it will be referred to the solar energy. ASTM E44, this committee it will be referred to the solar or geothermal and other alternative energy sources. For PV topics, E44.09 photovoltaic electric power conversion subcommittee is responsible. IEEE standards are very well known. It is related to the solar power also. IEEE SCC21, this standard coordinating committee on fuel cells, photovoltaic dispersed generation and energy stores. SCC21 oversees the development of standards in the area of fuel cells, photovoltaic, dispersed generation and energy storage and the coordinates efforts in these fields among the various IEEE societies and other affected organizations to ensure that all standards are consistent and properly reflect the views of all applicable disciplines. SEMI, the SEMI International Standards Program, is one of the key services offered by Semiconductor Equipment and Materials International for the benefit of the worldwide semiconductor, photovoltaic, PV and flat panel display industry. ISO, which is the International Standard Organization or International Organization for Standardization, it is a worldwide federation of national standard bodies. This work for preparation of international standards is normally carried out through ISO technical committees. ISO 9806-2017, the link is given here. This specifies the test methods for assessing the durability, reliability, safety and thermal performance of fluid heating solar collectors. The test methods are applicable for the laboratory testing and for in situ testing. This is also applicable to all the types of fluid heating solar collectors using external power supply for normal operation and for safety purposes. It does not cover electrical safety aspects or other specific properties directly related to the electric power generation. IEEE standards, This is the link for IEEE standard related to the PV array. A method for properly sizing the PV array and battery for standalone PV systems where PV is the only charging source is recommended. Load calculations and determinations of solar radiation in the sizing of the system need special attention. Now this is the sponsor committee for this IEEE standard SASB SCC21 fuel cells photovoltaic discharge generation and energy storage. The status is active. This is the board approval number and the history is published date as 2008-5-12.